Today, we're making Marco Pierre White's Tagliatelle of Oysters with caviar. And we start with the beurre blanc. Classically, you use dry white wine and white wine vinegar in a 2-to-1 ratio. But Marco does his with white wine vinegar only. I suspect because his is a very shallot-forward beurre blanc, using 4 shallots for every 75 ml of white wine vinegar. Almost equal weight, if not more. And you need the sharper acidity to balance the natural sweetness of the shallot. We bring this to a boil, one to evaporate the water content to concentrate their flavors, the sweetness of the shallots and the acidity from the vinegar in particular. And the acid will lower the pH level and help stabilize the butter emulsion later. After just a minute or two, we add a few drops of cold water and bring the liquid back to a boil. I assume this is to adjust the body of water available for the emulsion later. Stove off, and we start incorporating the cold butter, 1 cube at a time, while we whisk to break the butter into small fat droplets, dispersing them in the water, forming the emulsion. The natural emulsifiers in the butter, such as the milk protein, along with the acid, will help stabilize the emulsion. But make no mistake, this is a temporary emulsion, unlike a mayonnaise, which has the luxury of the lecithin of the egg yolk. The reason why we use cold butter is to prevent the butter fat from splitting, giving us a greasy sauce. And you don't want this mixture to be above 65 degrees Celsius. Bit by bit, we wait until the butter is fully dissolved before we add the next one. And of course, we can always bring back a tiny bit of heat if need be. Perfect. Once you have no butter left, we leave the sauce to infuse for 20 minutes. The shallot would continue releasing their aromatic compounds, giving you this deeper, shallot-forward beurre blanc that we talked about. After 20 minutes, we season for the first time with salt, white pepper for some subtle heat, and a bit of lemon juice for brighter acidity. And now we have the daunting task of passing this through a sieve lined with muslin cloth, which really tests the consistency of the beurre blanc. This is A, to remove the solids, B, to give us a silkier, more refined texture to go with the oysters. Moment of truth. Perfect. Now, we keep this warm while we prep the rest. Cucumber into strips. Cover this with just enough water, bit of butter, and we simmer them until they're just tender. This will A, reinforce the sweetness of the oysters and the sauce, B, give us freshness, and C, give us a bit of contrasting texture. We drain and we set this aside. We shuck our oysters. Keeping all their juices. We poach them in their own juices with a dash of water until they're just firm to touch. We boil the shells for presentation later. And we boil our fresh tagliatelle with some butter to give the dish body and to mop up our wonderful sauce. Freshly made this morning in the shop down the road. Perfect, now we can plate. We form a bed with our noodles. Beautiful oysters. Cucumber. And of course, the beurre blanc. And we finish with just a bit of caviar on top. And this is my attempt on a great dish from a great chef.